Riley airbagged trailers. Loading and unloading a vehicle on and off a trailer are terribly difficult and time-consuming processes. Thankfully, the Australian company Riley has finally decided to tackle this problem. They created a loading system that reduces the once difficult process to just a few simple, quick steps. The trailer is equipped with a unique air suspension system, known simply as the Easy Load. It smoothly lifts and lowers the platform, creating a car ramp with a minimal tilt angle. At the same time, all operations are carried out at the touch of a button. The car locking system guarantees a high level of safety too. The manufacturer offers several different models. This one in particular is suitable for transporting vehicles weighing up to 2 tons. Beck's Competition Expandable Unit. As you may have already noticed, both trailers shown earlier had an open structure, which is not suitable if the transported vehicle is expensive and needs protection from all sides. In an open structure, the vehicle collects extra dust and risks getting a couple of scratches during transportation. The solution to this problem are enclosed trailers, and the Dutch company Beck's Competition has made a real revolution in this market. This is a car transport trailer with a folding design. Its width increases to 4.8 meters, providing 40 square meters of useful space. The loading platform, to which the cabin is attached, is equipped with a convenient hoist to load and unload the car in a matter of seconds. Finally, there's an optimal microclimate inside, so the trailer is not only suitable for transport, but can also be used as a mini workshop on wheels. Omar's heavy-duty underlift. In fact, in order to move a vehicle from one place to another, it's not necessary to load it onto a platform at all. In some cases, it's much more convenient and faster to hitch it up. Except that this classic method doesn't always work with buses. First, their engine is located in an extremely uncomfortable spot. Second, the wheels are the only part strong enough to be used to lift the bus. The same rule applies to large trucks like tractor units. That's why the Italian company Omar's has developed its own innovative machines for this purpose. With their help, the vehicle can be prepared for transportation in 2 steps. First, the system lifts the transportation with the help of a winch in only 6 minutes. Secondly, it fixes the tow hitch on the most convenient pair of wheels. This step takes about 15 minutes, so the entire procedure doesn't take more than half an hour. It's noteworthy that the manufacturer offers 6 versions. The smallest has lifting capacities of 100, 110 and 120 tons, so that they can work without a winch. They're powerful enough to lift a bus or a truck using only the tow hitch. The larger models are equipped with a boom and can carry vehicles weighing up to 170, 210 and 250 tons. Gorsa ATT. The workday of any port implies constantly handling huge numbers of large freight containers. So it goes without saying that the key to productivity is the use of convenient, reliable equipment which speeds up the processes of loading, unloading and transporting goods. The French company Gorsa created the perfect system for the task. ATT, which stands for Automotive Terminal Trailer, is a very popular system around the world, and it has received many positive reviews. Its main element is a truck with low operating costs, minimum fuel consumption, easy operation, and maintenance. The system also has exceptional maneuverability, which is an incredibly important parameter in docks, because workers have to work in extremely cramped conditions. Each vehicle is capable of lifting loads weighing up to 65 tons and moving at speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour. BIS dual-powered road trains. And here's another vehicle that can significantly improve the profitability of a company. In this case, it's a mining facility. That's because this truck train from the Australian company BIS was designed to transport loose materials, particularly ore. This car picks up cargo in the mining quarry and then takes it to a special factory or to the train loading terminal. However, it has a load capacity of up to 500 tons, higher than in similar vehicles, which means shorter transportation cycles. This in turn increases productivity while reducing costs. Additionally, the use of articulated trucks makes it possible to reduce the number of personnel and vehicles involved in the process. The last important advantage of this vehicle is that the average speed of this road train is higher than the speed of a traditional vehicle. In addition, as the driving range is not limited at all, the road train can cover any distance. Hyver Titan Evo. Today, we've already seen trucks capable of loading and unloading cargo containers on their own. Well, it turns out that they can essentially have any size. For example, the Titan Evo hook lift from the Dutch company Hyver was created to work with small containers and has a lot of significant advantages. Thus, the specialists fitted it with a special hydraulic lock which reliably fixes the container in place. It guarantees the integrity of both the cargo and the container itself. The second advantage is its reliability and durability. All surfaces are resistant to abrasion and corrosion. The load is operated by a sliding boom, and unloading is carried out by one operator only, who doesn't even need to leave the cabin. This means that the entire procedure literally takes only a few minutes. Gosan's zero-emission yard automation. The difference between this vehicle and all of the others we've shown you today is striking at first glance. We are talking about the complete absence of an operator's cabin, because the vehicle is 100% autonomous. This vehicle is designed to set new standards in the logistics market, which is why it uses hydrogen instead of common fuel. A robotic arm controlled by a smart computer links the trailer and the tractor many times faster than a human does. While driving, the vehicle constantly analyzes its surroundings to ensure not only reliability and productivity, but also a high level of safety. As you can understand from the video, the specialists from Gosan made sure that the electronics were resistant to bad weather and had excellent durability.